hello. And from me saying that banana bread is awesome, because it is, to me absolutely smoking our little non-friend Oscar. He's more of an anti-friend of everything, you know? To me and my paranoia agreeing to have a baseball bat in my room. I am existing. I have not had banana bread again, because banana bread is not a resource that's commonly found in my house. Play a person. They're too good.
Let's see how well you've learned my lessons.
You didn't even teach me nothing, nerd. Nah. Your mother gave birth to the combination of a fly and a gnat, which are the same thing. So you can shut up. Adaptive, alright? Oi? By the way, I love British people, okay? And their accent, it's wonderful. I love it. I'm loving it.
You monster. It had a name.
Yeah, what was it? If it's not banana bread, then I don't care. If it's Oscar is awesome, then you're just a hypocrite. Or delusional. What do I do in this situation?
Deep breaths, Oscar.
Oh my gosh, you killed a pawn! I'm so scared. Shiver me timberies. That was very
Deep
high
breaths,
sarcasm.
Oscar. Oh, the audacity.
This is just left and right murder. Yeah, finally, you made a smart choice in life. Oh wait, never mind.
How could you?
I meant in the game. I meant in the game. I'm just a kid.
This is fine.
It's a nightmare.
Nice check.
Nice, all right.
My Highness.
My hiney. Nerd. Shiver me timbers.
This is fine. I'll be taking that, Bishop.
I'm an idiot.
Chomp.
Kim, shut up. You're at -9 points.
Mine now.
That's what your mother said. Wait. Sorry if I accidentally offended someone with that joke. Maybe.
Would you do that to your friend?
You're not my friend, so that doesn't matter.
Goodbye, noble steed. Should have seen that coming.
I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. Why is that song stuck in my head? Darn. I got
Another one bites the dust. Just cleaning up.
That's why
Fine, but
I
I
like how
refuse to call
he's
her
like,
Your
"Just
Majesty.
cleaning up." When I literally cleaned up most of his team. Like, is he actually blind?
Check,
Is he
please.
retarded? Like, check, please. Shut up.
How the mighty have fallen.
What was that cringe symbol?
So be it.
So be it. Shut up.
Boop!
Oh my gosh, you killed a pawn. And I got you knight.
Knight down.
What you gonna do? Cry? Little baby? Little baby? Good boy.
Enjoy the win. You deserve it.
You're not gonna be getting any ladies with that wig. I knew he'd cry because he's just a baby. Nerd. Nerd. Loser. Hey, nerd. Anyways, bye guys. I apologize if I offended anyone, okay?